Alrighty done. Here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you description as combination. We've got a set of our ass cast heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic loader. Got the Pro-Am manifold. Fuel management, Holley, Terminator X. Beautiful stuff in the front end. Front sump oil pan. Go under and make a run. See what it does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, let's see, 3,400. It is 495 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 517. Peak horsepower 525. So we rated at 500, so it runs really good. It's got a front end on it. That's the new cylinder head, DFI, so nice piece. Kind of show you a couple things here. Plus, we're going to pull a pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you. When you receive your engine, there will be this thing that looks like a credit card. It's a USB card, full of technical information. Dyno video, engine build specs, tech stuff. Highly recommend plugging and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number, some other specs on it. If you need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Have a great day.